evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher Ms. Garima Singh. So students, our today's video topic is finding squares with near the base method. In this topic we have two parts. Near the base method. In this topic, we will study two parts. The first part is above the base, and the second part is below the base. In our today's topic, we will find the squares of the numbers which are above the base and the second which are below the base. Now, above the base numbers can be 104, means it is above 100, as 100 is the base, so the number is 104. As you can see, the base numbers are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and more. So these are your base numbers. So above the base contains 104, 140, it is above 100, or you can say 164, it is also above 100, and etc. Same way, below the base numbers, like the numbers which are below 100, or you can say 10,000, like 94, 96, 992 and 80. Now students, today we will find the squares of the numbers with the help of near the base method. In this topic, today only we will study both the parts, above the base also and below the base also. Means we will do two types of sums in this video. In the first part, we will do the sums related to above the base, and the second part, we will do the sums related to below the base. So students, please watch the video till last because we will discuss both the topics today. So let's start with the first sum. Now first of all, we will discuss the sums related to above the base. Now your first sum is the square of 104. Now you can see students that it is a number which is above 100. Now first thing which you will do in this sum is taking a base. Now in my previous videos also I have told you how to take a base. As you can see, this number contains 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. This is your base. This is a method to take the base for the numbers which are above the base. Like it is 104 square. So your base, see it's a 3-digit number. So 3. Or you can take the base directly also by seeing the number. Like you will always take the base 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Means the number which contain 1 and 0. Same way, you can see that 104 is closer to 100. So, our base is 100. This way also you can take the base for the numbers which are above the base. Or the second method which I have told you, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This way also you can take the base. 1 should be included in 3 digits. Now, how to take square of the number which is above the base. So, first of all, what you have to do, just subtract the base from your number. The first step. First of all, write the number, subtract the base from it. Now, what is 104 minus 100 is 4. Now, this is the most important number. Just keep it with you. Second thing what you have to do, just add this 4 in your number. One part. Second part is just square this number. Yes. First of all, what you are doing? Subtract the base from your number. 104 minus 100 is 4. Fine. Now the second part. Add this 4 in your number and square this number. Now 104 plus 4 is 108 and 4 square is 16. Now students, one more thing is there. You can see 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros, so 2 number. If there will be 3 zeros, then there should be 3 numbers. And if there are extra numbers, so just put it carry. Yes. Number of zeros, number of digits should be same. So 2 zeros are there, 2 digits are there. It's fine, no carry. So the answer is 108 and 16. And this is your square of 104. You can see kids that how easily we have taken out the squares of the numbers which are above the base. You will get it more when we will do the second sum. Your second sum is square of 140. Now you have to take a base. I am taking the base directly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. You have to count the 1 also. Or I can see directly that 114 is closer to 100. So 100 is your base. Now after taking base, the first step which you will do is subtract the base from your number. 114 minus 100. It's 14. Now this is the most important number. Now in next part, what you have to do? You have to take your number and add this number in it. One part slash square of this number. This is a method, students. You have to learn it. Now 114 plus 14. Add directly. See 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 1, 2 and 1. 128 slash. Now 14 square. Those students who have learned the squares, they can write directly. Otherwise, you can multiply. Now 14 square means 14 into 14. I am doing the IXI multiplication method. I am using the IXI multiplication method here. Now 4 4s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1 1s are 1, it's 196. So 196. Now students, you can see that 2 zeros are there. So here should be 2 digit, but here is 3 digit. So this one will go carry. Yes, I have told you that number of zeros, number of digits should be here. So what is the answer? See 1, 2, now 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 6. And this is your answer. 12996. 12996. This is your answer. I hope students you get this last calculation. You will get it more when we will do the next sum. Now students, your third sum of the topic finding squares with near the base method, and the first part is above the base. As you can see that your all numbers are above the base. Please watch the video till last students, because after some questions we will discuss below the base also. In that we will do the sums related to below the base. So 117 square. Now 117 means 117 minus base. Now take the base. As you can see, it's 117. So your base will be 100. Means 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digit. Now 117 minus 100. So 117 minus 100 is 17. your number. Now take your number 117, add this number plus 17 slash 17 square. You have to take this number, add this number in it, then square of this number. Now add 7 plus 7, 14, 4 here, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3 and 1. 134. Now square of 17. Again I am repeating, those students who know the square of 17, they can write directly. Others can multiply with their method, or they can use IXI method also. Now 7 sevens are 49, 9 here, 4 carry. 1 sevens are 7, 7 ones are 7, or 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18, 8. 1 carry and 1 ones are 1, 1, 2. 289. Students, I have used the IXI method for multiplication, IXI method for 2-digit multiplication. Those who don't know this IXI method, they can go through my channel and watch the 2-digit multiplication video. So, now here there are 2 zeros. So, here should be only 2 digits. So, this 2 will go carry, because we only have to take 2 digits because 2 zeros are there. Now the answer 1, 3. Now 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 9, and your answer is 13,689. 1, 3, 6, 8, 9. I hope students you are getting this method. Now students, we will take fourth sum. Our fourth sum is a 4-digit number. Please stay tuned with the video. Our fourth sum is 1006 square. Now kids, first of all you have to take the base. For the base, what I have told you, like 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3 and 1 more 0, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This way you can take the base for the numbers which are above the base. Now the first step is you have to subtract your base from the number. You can see clearly 1006, 1000, so only 6 is there. Now what you have to do, I hope kids now you get the method and you know what we have to do after this part. Now first of all add 6 in your number. Then square of your number. Now add. See 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. Now slash. Now 6 6 are 36. Now some students will think that the answer is 1 0 1 2 3 6. No. See here are 3 zeros. So here should be 3 numbers. But here are only 2. So in the answer we will put 1 0. Yes. See 1 0 1 2 1 0 1 2. This number is a 2-digit number and here are 3 zeros. So for making it 3-digit, we have put 1 0 in front of 36 and now it is 1 2 3 digit. 3 zeros, 3 digit. And this is your answer students. Now this way you have to do the sums related to above the base. Now students, we will discuss the next topic which is below the base. It is the part of our main topic which is finding squares with near the base method. Now we will do the sums related to below the base. Students, our first sum for below the base is 74. We have to find the square of number 74. Now you can see students that this is below 100. Yes, in this topic you will get the sums which are below your base. As your base can be 10, 100, 1000, 1000 and more. So you can see that it is below 100. Now how you will find the base for the numbers which are below 100? See, in this we don't have to count 1. Yes, 2 digits are there, sorry. So 2 zeros. 2 digits, 2 zeros, and put 1 as this. Yes kids, in this way you can find the base of the numbers which are below the base. In above the base we are counting 1, but in below the base we don't have to count 1, we only count the number of digits and number of zeros. Now after this, same method we will use. Now first of all, subtract your base from the number. Now 74 minus 100. See students, for subtraction with base, I have told you one method, last from 10 and others from 9. Yes, by using that method, you can subtract your numbers directly from the base. Like 10 minus 4, 6. And 9 minus 7, 2. So this way, you can subtract your number directly from the base. No need to write 100 minus 74. But you can see students that 74 is less and 100 is more, and 100 contains a negative sign. So in front of 26 there will be a negative sign. Please be careful with the sign kids. This sign you will always get in the sums which are below the base, because always your number will below the base and the base is always more than your number. So you will always get this negative sign in your numbers here. Now the next step, same step we will repeat here also for below the base. Now 74. Now in above the base we are adding. Now here we get a negative sign, so we are subtracting. 74 minus 26 and then the square of the number minus 26 square. See, both the methods are just related to each other. You don't have to learn two methods for this topic. You only have to learn one method. The only difference is of this sign, this minus sign. In above the base, here is plus. In below the base, here is minus. All the things are same. Now 74 minus 26. You can do like this or you can minus directly also. Those students who have put in oral calculation. Now 7, 6 is there, 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is 48. Same way slash. Now students, you have to square this 26. Squaring means 26 into 26. I am using the IXI 2-digit multiplication here. For knowing that method, you can go through my channel and see the IXI multiplication for 2-digit video. Now 6 is 36, 6 here, 3 will go carry. Now 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 7 here, 2 will go carry. Now 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So it is 6, 7, 6. Now students, in the first part also I have told you number of zeros, number of digits. So you can see that 2 zeros are there. So we will take only 2 digits and this digit will go carry. So add it. Now 48 plus 6 is 54 and this 76. So it is 5476 and this is your answer. Students, if you are good in calculation, so you can do this calculation orally in your mind also. Just directly write the answer. Now we will move to our second sum. Our second sum is square of 94. So first of all you have to take the base. See, 2 digits are there. So 2 zeros. And this is your base, it is 100. Now subtract your base from the number. Now 94 minus 100. 94 minus 100 is 6. And 100 is more, 94 is less. So minus 6. Now the next step is 94 minus 6 slash then square of this number minus 6 square. Now 94 minus 6 is 88 and square of 6 is, it's very easy. See, listen students, minus 6 into minus 6. Now 6 6 are 36 and minus minus plus. So we will only write 36 here. Now you can see 2 zeros, 2 digits. So directly write the answer. It's 8836 and this is your answer. I hope students you are getting this method. We will move to the next sum now. Please watch the video till last because your next sum is a 3-digit sum. Now your third sum is, students, the square of 992. Now as you can see that your number is below the base because it's a below the base method. Now 992, now first of all the first step is you have to find the base. Now 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3 zeros and 1. 3 digit, 3 zeros. Now the next step, you have to take your number first of all, then subtract the base from it. Now 992 minus 1000 is minus 8. Now students, you have to take your number and then subtract this 8 from it. And slash and square of your number. 992 minus 8 and then square of this number. Now 992 minus 8 is 984 and square of 8 is 8 8 is 64. Now it's the time for writing the answer. Now you can see students that there are 3 zeros. Means 3 zeros, then here should be 3 digits. But you can see that only 2 digits are there. So in your answer, you will put 1 0 in front of 64. For making it 3 digit because 3 zeros are there. Now write this answer 984064 and this is your answer. See students how lengthy the answer is and in some seconds you have found out the answer with this method. Now kids, we will move to our last sum. Now students, we will move to our fourth sum. It's a 4-digit number 9925, square of 9925 or you can say 9925. So let's start our method or you can say trick. Now first of all, the first thing which you have to take is base. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and 1 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. See, taking the base for above the base method and below the base method is somewhat different. You just have to learn this, otherwise the other method is same. Now take the number minus your base from it. Now 9925 minus 1000. Now use the method last from 10 and others from 9. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Now 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So your answer is minus 75. Now you have to take your number and subtract this number from it and square this number. Now it's 9925 minus 75. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 7 you can't do. Take one carry. It's 12. 12 minus 7. 5. Now 9. One carry we have taken. So it's 8 and it's 9. See, it's 9850. Now slash. Now square of 75. Again for squaring I am using the IXI 2-digit multiplication method. Now 5 5s are 25. 5 here. 2 will go carry. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So 35 plus 35. 5 plus 5 10 0 here. 1 will carry. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 70 plus 2 72. 2 here. 7 will go carry. Now 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 7. 16. 6 here. 1 will go carry. 4 plus 1 5. So it's 56. So it's 5 6 2 5. 5 6 2 5. See students, how 2-digit multiplication I have done in one row. You can also learn this method. It's very easy. Now see students, 4 zeros are there. 4 digits are there. So nothing we have to do, we only have to write the answer. See 9850 and this 5625 and this is your answer. 9850 5625 and this is your answer. I hope students you get this method today. We have learned finding squares with near the base method. In that main topic we have learned 2 topics today, or we have studied 2 topics today. The first was above the base method and the second was below the base method. With this video kids, I have given you one practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook and please students complete your pending work. Make sure kids you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. Thank you.